The president yesterday, I wasn't there, I didn't see it, I have not read about it, but I understand that the president appears to have ordered the arrest of Mr. Guban and other personalities involved in this episode on drugs in customs. We are a co-equal branch of government. The Congress is a co-equal branch. The President is another co-equal branch, and the judiciary is one co-equal branch. Uh, and with all due respect to the President, if I heard him correctly, we cannot turn over Mr. Guban right away because we're still continuing with the hearings. And although I am in constant touch with the Department of Justice, this is a very serious case that involves a lot of personalities who are doing heavy drug smuggling. Kaya nag-iingat po tayo. Kaya sinasabi ko, I'm in constant touch with them. I've also been in touch with, or they have been in touch with me, with the PNP, in accordance with the instructions of the President. And again, I reiterate, I respect the President, but we do follow certain rules, and part of that is the fact that uh, 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 part of that would be to make sure that the status of the Congress as a co-equal branch of government is respected. Uh, the status quo, I reiterate, must be respected at the moment. Hindi pa kami tapos adequately, and there are other matters like uh, the security and safety of the witness. Is now a witness, is no longer under confinement due to contempt.